Yes, we're definitely selling on Amazon. There's one reason we're selling on Amazon. There's actually two reasons we're selling on Amazon. Number one, we're selling on Amazon because people shop on Amazon. But number two, Amazon is the third biggest search engine in the world. I mean, we're talking about dominating this entire industry from every angle. We've got TV ads, we've got radio ads, we've got Facebook ads, we've got YouTube ads, we've got Google ads. We're attacking it from every angle. Why would we not take advantage of the third biggest search engine in the world? We're taking advantage of the first two, Google and YouTube. Why leave number three out and not give people an opportunity to shop and purchase where they're already spending their money? If you're only going to order one or two products a month, you're probably going to save money. If you don't have a membership in LiveGood, you know, with the $10 and the shipping, you're probably going to get it cheaper on Amazon and faster if you're only buying one or two products a month. Fortunately for us, two things. Number one, the average order is 6.5 products and over $100. So if you buy them on Amazon, you're going to be spending over $150 for the same thing you could get for $100 and maybe $10 for shipping, maybe $10 for, you know, for your membership. You're still going to be saving $30 or $40 on the average order out there. So it's very rare that someone's going to cancel their membership. The second thing is even more powerful. Look, with all of this advertising, we talk about it when people go shopping. The first thing they do is they compare the price on Amazon. They go to Amazon to see if they can find a product or a similar product at a better price. And when they see our products on Amazon, and then they compare to the website and they see that our magnesium is $16.95 on Amazon or only $8.95 at LiveGood, they're probably going to go to LiveGood. But yes, some people are still going to order on Amazon. I think this is what we're going to see. And I believe this is what we're already seeing. If people want to get their first order on Amazon, just to try it, because people already trust Amazon. They don't trust a company, a brand that they've never done business with, they're not familiar with, they've never heard of until they hear this ad on the radio. But they know Amazon. They know if they order from Amazon, they're going to get their product. They're going to get it fast. They're going to get what they ordered. So if that's where they trust spending their money, let them order their first product from Amazon. And this is what most people do anyway. They order a couple products the first time. They see the quality. They see how amazing they are. And then they come back. They order more. Then they get the reds. Then they get the greens. Then they get the creatine. Then they get their protein powder. Then they get their methylene blue. Then they get their vitality. Then they get their hydration amplifier. Then they get their CBD oil, their detox, their essential aminos. That's not essential aminos, that's super reds, their coffee. And they keep coming back. So I believe, and I could be wrong, sometimes that's the case. For the most part, I've been pretty accurate with my predictions. But you know, sometimes people are gonna leave LiveGood to buy on Amazon, and that's okay. Our whole focus from the beginning, as you guys know, is number one, help people get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way. Number two is help them generate extra income in their spare time from home. Both of those are important, but number one is number one for a reason. We want people to get these products. And if they want to get them from Amazon, if they're more comfortable getting them from Amazon than from a company, from a website, I'm okay with that. But I do believe this. I believe more people will be coming to become a member from Amazon than the number of people who are going from LiveGood to Amazon and out of LiveGood, if that makes sense. In other words, the net is a positive on the LiveGood side. Let me tell you another story. So that's going to continue to happen. And if you look at the numbers, I mean, we're only getting a couple hundred orders a day on Amazon. We're getting thousands a day at LiveGood. It's not like everyone's magically shifting their buying habit. And most of those orders, again, are coming from our TV ads, from our radio ads, from people seeing it on TikTok, which is another, if you want to call it a search engine, a social media network, whatever you want to call it. You know how big TikTok is? First of all, you know how big Amazon is? There are brands doing over $100 million a year in sales just on Amazon alone. We're not going to ignore that. I mean, look at all the companies going out of business because they can't make sales. Like, if there's an opportunity to generate another 10 million, 20 million, 50 million, $100 million in sales, that all goes into the bonus pools, by the way, for diamonds and above, that's a huge opportunity to not ignore. Like, we'd be dumb to ignore it.